Good morning, y'all. Today we have a pretty busy planned day today. I'm gonna bring you guys along. We're going to harvest some vegetables. We have our greenhouse back there and it needs a little bit of summer cleaning because we're gonna be starting some fall seedlings in there soon. And then I'd like to lay some mulch around a raised garden bed that I have. So we'll see how far we get today. I'm just going to bring you guys along. This will be like a vlog. Guess first things first, let's go harvest some zucchinis, cucumbers, and potentially some beets. So we'll go ahead and get harvesting in this weedy but productive garden. Let's go. That is all of our yellow zucchini, summer squash, and green zucchini. We got a whole basket of both. We're going to go ahead and go through our cucumbers, which are right behind us. And then we're going to go ahead and start harvesting beets. Okay, y'all, so it turns out my camera was off. Finished harvesting one row. I'm going to go ahead and harvest the other row now. This is probably the largest beet, but I have one inside. We're going to see which beet beats the record, and we'll weigh them. I'm going to do this last row off camera, and then we'll go ahead and start working in the greenhouse. This is the greenhouse that needs dealt with. Got plastic on the ground from the early season, and the sides are not completely covered up, so we have ivy that's been growing in here. Got some weeds in here in the front entrance that needs weed whacked down. So really it just needs a little bit of maintenance in here. Clean it up, sweep it out, and get it ready for the planting of fall crops like our cabbage or broccoli, stuff like that. So we're gonna go ahead and start with that here. First thing we gotta do is start to empty all of these cells. So I'm gonna bring some 5-gallon buckets. We're gonna go ahead and take the dirt, put it in the compost pile, and then we'll go ahead and start stacking the trays up. We're gonna reorganize our shelf back there, get it all nice, tear all these weeds out, clean up the floor and sweep it. So that's the plan. We'll see how far we get. Okay guys, so that is the greenhouse finished up. It is way better than it was before. So there's still obviously dirt on the floor, but a greenhouse will never be 100% perfect. But it's way better than it was before, and that's where we're going to wrap up today's video. I want to say thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already and you want to see more adventures. And until next time, God bless.